idli, which is one of the most popular and economically feasible for most of Indians, and we regularly have idli. So there is a company called ID Fresh which has sold 35 crore idlis in 2020. I mean, just look at the company. I mean, if you go to each in one street, there are more than 50 to 60 hotels, and who said one of the basic and very important item they have is idli. And why I'm talking about idli right now in this video is, I'll explain it at the end. Let this curiosity be for next 2 minutes. Many of us have assumed or thought that idli is an Indian or South Indian food, but unfortunately idli is not from India. Idli is from Indonesia. Okay, during 800 to 1200 BC, some part of Indonesia was ruled by Indians. Like Sanjay dynasty was ruling Indonesia, some part of Indonesia. During that time, they invented something called idli, and they used to prepare this idli at those places. Now, after some years, it came to India during 950 or during 950. And how we got to know that that it belongs to South India, or why everybody started assuming that it is from South India? The simple reason, there is no strong proof about it, but there is only one strong assumption that we can put across is there is one Kannada literary work which is called as Vaddaradane, in which the author have used between the word called iddalige to when he have created a conversation between a hero and the heroine, and they both talk about the tiffin or breakfast called idli, and that Vaddaradane, they have called it as iddalige in this Kannada literary work. Now, I was reading research about a food historian, T.K. Achaya. According to him, this is how the history of idli came across, and which is now one of the part of our life. Now, why I'm telling the story of idli to you all in this video is, this is, you can know only these kind of things only if all of us have got one key ingredient in our brain, that's called curiosity. Like, how many of us have got irrational curiosity? What do I mean by irrational curiosity is, idli is nothing to do with our life, but still we have curiosity. Pizza is nothing to do with our life, but still how can you build that curiosity to understand how this all things happened? So how this temples got constructed, I mean how this camera works, how this mic works, and all this complex things. But one key ingredient if we have in our life, the curiosity, maybe you start if you have curiosity, the one great advantage that we can all get is we will start analyzing more. Even a small simple thing. Now look at this, a small idli can make us to come up with the content of at least 2 minutes. Now just think how many great things that we can discuss about. So if one key ingredient, curiosity, is there, if we start planting the tree of curiosity in all our brains, maybe we start analyzing more, and if we start analyzing more, maybe the chances of taking wrong decision will also reduce. So that's where we all have to take an oath that let us start having a irrational curiosity, which can put a great impression in our thought process. Thank you all.